Have you ever been puzzled by a piece of code that just doesn't behave as expected? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the issue of the EqualsIgnoreCase method in Java and why it might not be working as intended. I totally get it. When your code runs but doesn't give you the output you expect, it can feel like you're chasing your tail. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. This is a common issue that can leave you scratching your head. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why is my program not printing that EqualsIgnoreCase says they are equal?" They provided a code snippet that seems correct, but doesn't yield the expected result. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be going wrong here? The EqualsIgnoreCase method is supposed to compare two strings while ignoring their case. However, there are nuances in how characters are treated, especially with special characters. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial insight at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To understand why the program is not printing EqualsIgnoreCase says they are equal, we need to look closely at how the EqualsIgnoreCase method works in Java. In the provided code, the user is comparing a string with a special character, the sharp S, which is represented as S in Unicode. When converted to uppercase, this character becomes SS. When the user calls EqualsIgnoreCase, it compares ABCs with ABCSS. Since these two strings are not the same, the method returns false. To fix this issue, the user can either ensure that both strings are in the same case, or handle special characters appropriately before comparison. Fun fact, did you know that the character cis is known as the sharp S in German? It's fascinating how different languages can affect programming logic. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user clarifies that the EqualsIgnoreCase method ignores case differences between string 1 and string 2. Therefore, it won't recognize them as equal if there are different letters. They also confirm that using equals with uppercase conversion is a valid approach. Here's the insight I promised. Always consider the locale when dealing with string comparisons in Java. This can save you from unexpected behavior in your programs. And there you have it. Understanding how EqualsIgnoreCase works with special characters can help you avoid similar pitfalls in the future. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more common Java issues.